What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ghost, back at it again with another video. Today we are doing something new on the K-Mag channel. Today we are doing a unboxing of this new speaker I got today. The Child. Looks pretty good. I'll show you all the sides. There will be timestamps at the video of what you want to see. At the end of the video, I will show you the price and where you can get it. I got mine at Walmart, so that's where I got this one from. Alright, let's get into it. I don't even care about the box, so we're just gonna rip it open. Off camera, I was trying to struggle to open it, so that's why I grabbed the knife. Kitchen knife. Charge before use. Okay, then I'm gonna have to make a different part of this video, because you gotta charge it before you use it. Let's see. Ooh, I like the texture. Alright, let's. Seriously? Oh, I was about to say I need a screwdriver. I'm like, nah. I ain't getting no screwdriver. I got one, but I don't really want to grab it. I think this will be easy to fix. Oh, wow. That was actually pretty easy. Oh! Crap! I don't know if I need this or not. Honestly, it's looking like it. Alright. Gotta make sure there's no hidden box or anything. Alright. I guess I set this little down. Honestly. Solving its own puzzle. Does it even go in there? There's a speaker in there. Oh, that'd be awesome if these buttons did something. Alright, says the same thing on the box. Charge before use. Let's see if there's anything pretty already noticeable stuff. There he is. Alright. I'll give you all a close up. Let's see, I'm gonna try it. I've been wanting some desk stuff, so I guess this is my new desk item. Probably gonna put them over there by the Coca-Cola fridge. Like this video if you want to see some more. Unboxings and reviews and everything. I would have reviewed the Whirlwind Effects keyboard, but I really didn't want to. Oh man, I was hoping to have like a, instead of this H, I was hoping to have like a bounty hunter kind of logo from this. Sadly, that's not a, it doesn't work. I might be putting it over here by the charging dock and Coca-Cola fridge. Maybe on top, I don't know. Alright, let's plug them in. Where should we plug them in at? Screw it, I'm plugging it in right here. I will come back to y'all when it is fully charged. Bro, that's a little bitty freaking charger. I could go get a longer one, but I'll get a longer one when I'm actually using it. Red. I mean, just charging, I guess. Okay. Set little baby Yoda right over here. I don't understand what this is. The only thing I don't like about this like thing, the Baby Yoda, is if they would have made a, you can take his little thing off, or like add an extension where this is transparent or something, and like just black out the back, I would have liked that a lot better. But, or at least make the buttons work. But that's about it. That's all I gotta say for $20 almost. Almost $20. After this video, I'm gonna show you. In this video, at the end, I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds, and the website that you can get it off of. Multiple, actually. But I'm only gonna show you the Walmart one because I have to. Alright, so these are pretty cool. I haven't seen these before in a thing. I don't know if they're using those now instead of zip ties, because this right here is pure pain getting off cardboard. Pure pain. Okay, I guess I'll see y'all when it's charged. Alright, I'm back, guys. Baby Yoda is finally freaking charged. God. Now let's do the sound test. Y'all ready? Here we go. That's pretty loud. That is pretty loud. That is the speakers are down in here. So yeah, that's my full review on the Baby Yoda, which I'm going to call him Baby Yoda. I'm not going to call him his real name, so I'm just going to call him Baby Yoda. Boop. Alright, so like this video if you want more reviews, and then now I will show you how much money he is, and where you can get him at. I got mine at Walmart. Turn them off. I got mine at Walmart, and I'll show you what they're Walmart.com. I'll put other links in the description, like Amazon, It's like the only, Walmart and Amazon will be the only links I'll have in the description for this thing. So let's get into the PC.
Well, this is the end of the video. So I'm going to leave the Walmart link and the Amazon link down below. If I could find it anywhere else, I'll link them down below as well. So basically, the Yoda is 1969. So if I had to rate him, if I had to rate him 1 to 10, I would rate him about an 8. Just because the way he works, and I wish they would have made a see-through little floor area instead of using the little stair thing. They had a better opportunity to make it good, but I'm gonna give him an 8 because I love the Mandalorian. So basically, Amazon and Walmart and all the links will be in the description below. By the way, hit that like button if you made it to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. The giveaway will be coming, I don't know when, really. But when the giveaway comes, the link to the giveaway will be in every single video until I gave it away already. If y'all want a snapshot of what I'm giving away, I'm going to put it on screen now. And I guess I'll catch y'all guys later. Peace.